Operations Management Suite used to be called System Center Advisor and then Azure Operational Insight. System Center Advisor was a tool that provided server configuration, best practices advice, and Azure Operational Insight added log analytics capabilities. Operation Management Suite lives in the cloud. It is cloud-based, so you can go and manage all of your devices by logging into a website at Microsoft. It also covers many different operating systems and devices. And it can monitor, manage, and secure the devices where you add the agent. Let's take a look at how we can get into the Operations Management Suite product through Microsoft's website. After logging into our Microsoft.com account, we can go ahead and click on the Operations Management Suite link, and we'll go ahead and create a free account. Once we click the option to create a new account, we get the option here to create a workspace name. So we'll call it Widget based on our domain name, but you can call it anything you'd like. From here, we can go ahead and put in the names that we want for the suite information, and then we'll click to create the account. We've now logged in to our portal. And let's go ahead and get to the point where we can deploy an agent to one of our computers, and then we can see some analytics. We'll click on Settings, and from here we'll click on Connected Sources, and we can see that we can add both Windows servers as well as Linux servers. We're going to download the agent for 64-bit computers, and then we'll use the workspace ID and key that's been created. We are on our domain controller where we're going to install the first agent. So we've copied the agent that we just downloaded over to our domain controller, and now we're going to install. Choose the OMS option when prompted and click Next. Now we're going to put in that workspace ID and key that they presented with us earlier, and then we'll finish the installation. And we did need to wait about 15 minutes before the data source showed up, but now we see that our computer has changed from 0 to 1. So let's go ahead and click on that, and we can click on Connected Sources, and once again we're going to be able to see the different types of computers, but then we'll actually see our computer in the list, which we can click on, and then we can customize the solution. And there's our computer. We'll go ahead and click on that. And we get some general basic information about the computer, but don't forget we can do a lot with this. If we click on Add, we can add all different types of log files, alerts, various different things like that. We can just add into the system, and we can also go into and add an alert rule. We can back up the servers. We can do a lot of different things with OMS. And this just scratches the surface. But for our certification test, you should understand what OMS is, which we showed you, and how it is installed. From here, we can create our own customized views and solutions for our added agent computers. OMS is an easy-to-deploy tool that covers a lot of devices and operating systems. For security, you can use it as a unified location to check logs and activities on the managed devices, as well as inform you of updates and patches that need to be accomplished to keep security strong in your organization and your virtual machines.